I see your path is blocked by poisonous seaweed. Usually not a problem if you can just swim over it. Good thing I am the greatest alchemist alive. Or at least the greatest in my family. The solution is my sea kelp solution. It will melt them away. My alchemy is the strongest in all the land.
Instead of melting, the seaweed turns to stone!
It turned into a rock.
Blast and fiddlesticks! The solution is not ready. I need the essence of pure snot. Go to the nearby cave and retrieve it for me.
You see before you an upturned bridge. What's it doing like that? Could be useful if you whack it over.
You're near the essence of pure snot. Fight on!
I'll make a nice payday out of you. Just in the crops again. Ready to cast. Such a murderous mushroom. Ooh, I never get tired of that.
Essence of pure snot is close enough to smell. It will be heavily guarded.
Oh, that's where it's gonna be, eh? Oh, that's a good stuff. I'm getting the hang of this, kid. Well, if it isn't my favorite killer fungus. Watch your snot.
Perfection itself! With this, I can complete the solution. Now, use this improved sea kelp solution on the seaweed blocking your way. I am the greatest alchemist alive.
The seaweed melts away, clearing the path.
If you see any of my brothers, give them a helping hand, would you? They need it.